This demonstration is presented by AltaCX Corp and reviews how to access Microsoft Office 365 online. The first step is to launch your browser, and you can use Edge, Internet Explorer version 11, Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. The address that you'll enter is https://portal.office.com, and that will take you to the login page. Enter the username and password that you've been given by your local Office 365 administrator. And this will take you to the initial Office home page. And this will list the apps that you've been given access to based on your subscription. It's emphasizing the apps that most people use in Office 365 and any apps that you use regularly. I'll show you in a minute how to access additional apps that you've been given access to. If I select the Mail tile, that will take me into Outlook Web Access. And you'll notice that it starts in a separate tab up at the top here. If I want to get back to the home page, I just click this tab and I'll get back to the home page. If I want to select another app, say Stream for example, you'll notice as well that that starts that up in a separate tab. If I want to start up another app, I can go back to that home page tab, or I can select this button here, which is the app launcher, which also lists the apps that I've been given access to. So say if I select Flow for example, and that'll launch it in a separate tab. When I want to exit out of the apps, you can just select the X in the top right hand corner, and that'll close down the apps. I'm just going to quickly point out the other apps that are related to Outlook, which is Tasks, which can also be added and edited by the way using Microsoft's mobile app called To Do, Calendar, which is your Outlook calendar, and People, which contains your Outlook contacts, groups, etc. To see additional apps that you've been given access to, if you select this Explore All Your Apps, that'll take you to the Office 365 gallery. At the top of the page here, Microsoft has curated personalized suggestions to help you learn more about the apps that you have in your subscription. And below this is a list of all of the apps that you have access to. With each app is a brief description of what they are to help you decide which one will work for what you're trying to accomplish. You can learn more about the app by selecting this Learn More link here. And that'll start that up in a separate tab at the top. And when you want to launch the app, just simply select the name. And that'll launch the app. So I'm just going to close down these two tabs. And when I want to return to the home page, if I just scroll back up here and select Your Apps, that'll take me back to the home page. This Documents section below here will list all the documents that you've recently accessed. If you want to show more, you can select this link here, and that'll display more, and you can select that to show less. If you frequently access a document, you can pin it by selecting this ellipsis here, and we'll say Pin to this list, and that'll then appear in the pinned list. If you want to remove it from the pinned list, you just select the ellipsis and say Unpin from this list. And this will also display any documents that have been shared with you. You can also upload and open additional documents by selecting this button. That will take you into the Explorer. And you can also create new documents, a new Sway, Word, PowerPoint, or Excel document. You can also select this Open OneDrive link, which will open your entire OneDrive list of documents, which OneDrive is Microsoft's service for hosting files in the cloud, which allows you to store, sync, and share all kinds of files with other people and devices on the web. This also displays your recent OneDrive folders in this list here, and you can also open OneDrive with this link here. To exit out of Office 365, you can select your name up in the top right hand corner here and select Sign Out, or you can select the red X in the top right hand corner of the browser and close down the browser. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or you require additional information, please give us a call at 403-398-2497 or send an email to support@altacx.com.